Are you looking for free, high-quality online resources to prepare for your PTE exam? If so, you're in the right place. Hey, I'm Ray. I was in your shoes 5 years ago. I needed to get 4.8 in IELTS in order to apply for my Australian permanent residency. After many failed attempts at the IELTS test, I switched to PTE. After 2 months of intense preparation, I finally got it. I got 79 plus for all communicative skills and I got enough points for my PR. Fast forward to today, I live in the beautiful Sydney and work in one of the biggest companies in Australia. During my spare time, I have tutored many students for PTE preparation and always enjoyed helping them pass the exam and get to the next chapter of their lives. I'm so pumped and ready to be able to bring my experience and knowledge in PTE to a larger audience. In this channel, I upload PTE preparation video every week. You will find tips and tricks, strategies and techniques, templates, question banks, practice videos, full mark demonstration videos for each item. If you're ready to give your best efforts and pass PTE in your next attempt, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's do this!